Hi dolls, so today I'm going to show you how I do my own nails at home. It's super easy and it looks like it went to a nail salon. It's bridal season soon and you know how important it is to have good looking nails for photos with your bouquet. So if you're a bride, on a budget, or really anyone who loves good looking nails, just follow along this tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is what you're going to need. The star of this tutorial is this nailing nail tip kit. This is organized by nail size. It already includes nail glue and a nail file, all for $11. You'll also need a hand sanitizer, cuticle remover, base coat, your nail polish of choice, and top coat. And this is optional, but for that spa feeling, also get a cuticle cream to put on after. So the first step is to apply this instant cuticle remover from Sally Hansen. So I let it stand on my cuticles for 15 seconds and then I push the cuticle down, then wash my hands with warm water. Second step is to select the nail tip that you would need. So I would size each one first and then lay it on the table. Third step is to file the bottom of the fake nail so it really sits well and don't irritate the sides of your finger if they're bigger. Fourth step is to clean your nails with alcohol or hand sanitizer. This will make the nail adhere better and it's just hygienic to do so before gluing the fake nail on. Fifth step is to put the glue on your real nail and then just glue the fake nails on. Sixth step is to cut the nails to your desired length and then file them into the shape that you want your nails to be. I usually go with square nails. The seventh and final step is to apply your base coat, then the nail color of your choice, and then a top coat. And so that's it, dolls. We're done. A super easy and super pretty nail look. It looks like it went to a nail salon and it costs you way less. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Love ya!